What makes someone attractive? It's a question we've all pondered at some point. While physical appearance and charm certainly play a role, there's a certain elusive quality that can draw us towards someone. According to the University of Queensland Brain Institute, a significant part of attraction comes from our primal limbic system in the brain. The powerful biological anthropologist Helen Fisher, PhD, explains that this primal attraction can lead us to overlook a host of problems in our crush or partner. Our brains are incredibly efficient in deciding if someone could be a potential mate within just the first 3 minutes of meeting them. So what are the traits and behaviors that influence our attraction in those critical 3 minutes? There are several, and in this video, we're going to explore 5 often overlooked traits that can make you irresistibly attractive. Number 1, confidence. Let's start with a trait that's often associated with attractiveness. Confidence. But not just any confidence. We're talking about genuine self-confidence, the kind that comes from being comfortable in your own skin, without the constant need for validation. Psychologists have long recognized the impact of believing in your own attractiveness, regardless of conventional beauty standards. In a 2013 study published in the Journal of Evolutionary Psychology, researchers found that self-perceived attractiveness, self-competence, appearance, and body esteem were all strong predictors of self-esteem. Moreover, self-confidence played a mediating role in predicting romantic self-confidence. In other words, a strong sense of self-worth and self-confidence can make you more attractive in the realm of romance. Developing this kind of confidence doesn't mean you have to conform to society's standards of attractiveness. Instead, it's about identifying what you love about yourself, your unique traits, quirks, and skills, and embracing them. The confident demeanor that's so alluring isn't something you can mimic from someone else. It's the result of knowing and appreciating who you are. This kind of confidence is often discovered through self-discovery and embracing your individuality. Number 2, the joy of the journey. When it comes to attracting your crush, it's not just about the end result. It's also about the journey. Often, we become so fixated on the ultimate goal of a relationship that we overlook the importance of enjoying the process of getting to know someone. Attractive individuals don't place undue emphasis on the outcome, which makes them even more desirable. They savor the process of getting to know someone and don't dwell on whether mutual attraction will occur. This perspective allows them to be more relaxed and fun to be around. Clinical psychologist Randy Gunther, PhD, explains that the outcome of a relationship is often determined by the process itself, not plotted out ahead of time. Attractive individuals understand that relationships should be organic and evolve naturally. They create an atmosphere where both individuals can be themselves and enjoy the moment. By not harboring strong expectations for each date, they make it easier to relax and have fun. Attractive people embrace this approach. They are playful and enjoy the possibilities of connection, valuing the journey more than the destination. Instead of fixating on the end goal, they focus on building a genuine connection. This mindset allows for relationships to develop naturally, without the pressure of expectations or forced outcomes. As a result, the desired partner doesn't feel coerced or rushed into something they didn't seek or realize was a manipulated process. So, if you want to attract your crush, remember to enjoy the journey of getting to know them. Be playful, savor the process, and create a relaxed atmosphere where both of you can be your authentic selves. By doing so, you'll not only make a stronger connection with your crush, but also create relationships that are built on genuine, relaxed, and fun interactions. Number 3, non-conformity and open-mindedness. Another intriguing trait that can significantly influence your attractiveness is non-conformity and open-mindedness. These traits may not always receive the attention they deserve, but they play a vital role in drawing others towards you. In a 2015 study published in the Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin, researchers found that success in the dating world was greater when individuals exhibited nonconformist tendencies. This suggests that those who are unafraid to break away from societal norms and embrace their uniqueness have an edge in the world of attraction. Nonconformity and open-mindedness signify an individual's willingness to think outside the box, explore new ideas, and appreciate diversity. These qualities add depth and richness to your personality, making you more appealing to those who appreciate intellectual and emotional depth. Attractive individuals often embody these traits because they're open to new experiences and unafraid to challenge the status quo. Nonconformity and open-mindedness lead to conversations that are intellectually stimulating and emotionally fulfilling. In a world where many people conform to societal expectations and norms, those who are nonconformist and open-minded stand out as refreshing and intriguing individuals. By embracing these qualities, you not only make yourself more attractive, but also create an environment where meaningful conversations and connections can flourish. So, if you want to attract your crush, Remember that being nonconformist and open-minded is a key aspect of your allure. Embrace your uniqueness and be open to new ideas and perspectives. By doing so, you'll not only make a more profound connection with your crush, but also create relationships that are intellectually stimulating and emotionally fulfilling. Number 4, altruism. Altruism, the act of selflessness and compassion towards others, is a magnetic quality that often goes unnoticed when considering what attracts your crush. While it may not be as immediately visible as confidence or charm, the impact of altruism on your desirability is profound. Research from the University of Nottingham, summarized by Science Daily, found that displays of altruism and selflessness can be sexually attractive. This study, involving over 1,000 participants, revealed a fascinating insight. Women, in particular, place significant importance on altruistic traits when evaluating potential partners. Why is altruism so attractive? Altruistic acts, whether they are small gestures of kindness or more significant selfless actions, convey a deep sense of empathy, caring, and a generous spirit. These qualities signify a potential for a nurturing and supportive partner, which is highly appealing to those seeking meaningful relationships. Altruism demonstrates emotional maturity and a capacity to build strong connections, making it a standout quality for anyone looking to attract a crush. By showing kindness and empathy toward others, you not only make a positive impact on those around you, but also increase your desirability as a potential partner. So remember that being altruistic and caring for the well-being of others is not only a virtue, but also a trait that can significantly enhance your attractiveness. By embracing selflessness and compassion, you'll not only make the world a better place, but also become more appealing to those who appreciate your generous spirit. Number 5, authenticity. Authenticity is the ultimate attraction factor when it comes to finding and keeping the attention of your crush. It's about being genuine, honest, and unapologetically yourself. Authenticity is magnetic because it builds trust and deep connections that go beyond the surface. In a world where many people put on masks and project idealized versions of themselves, authenticity stands out. When you're authentic, you're not trying to be someone. You're not or pretending to have qualities that don't truly belong to you. You are unafraid to show your true self, warts and all. Authenticity is incredibly attractive because it allows for meaningful and profound connections to form. When you're authentic, you attract people who genuinely appreciate you for who you are, not for some idealized version of you. Authenticity leads to relationships based on honesty and a deep understanding of each other. People are naturally drawn to those who are unapologetically themselves. When you're authentic, you create an environment where trust can thrive, and your crush will be more likely to see the real you, flaws and all, and appreciate you for it. So if you want to attract your crush, remember that being authentic is the key. Embrace your true self. Be unapologetically you, and let your authenticity shine. By doing so, you'll not only make a stronger connection with your crush, but you'll also build relationships that are built on a solid foundation of trust and genuine understanding. The traits that make someone attractive go far beyond mere physical appearance. Confidence, the ability to enjoy the journey of getting to know someone, non-conformity, open-mindedness, and kindness are all qualities that can make you irresistibly attractive. So instead of obsessing over the end goal of attracting your crush and seeking their validation, look within yourself. It takes time to become comfortable in your own skin and love yourself. But it's these often overlooked traits that can relieve the pressure in the world of dating. And the best part is that as you develop these qualities, you'll not only attract your crush, but also become more attracted to yourself in the process. It's a win-win situation. If you enjoyed this video and found it insightful, don't forget to click the like button and share it with a friend or crush. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell icon, and stay tuned for more thought-provoking content like this. Thanks for watching.